So good day everyone, I am Harold Tongala from BSIT NS3A. So basically I have also midterm examination B of IT elective 1. So we need to create a web page that we can calculate miles per gallon. So we need to add forms to the web page that contains 4 text input. So the starting mileage, ending mileage, gasoline used, and miles per gallon. So every input, we need to start the value of 0. No, so we need to also add on change event on the script part, and add a JavaScript function of calc mpg miles per gallon. Sorry. So to create that, I need to create the calc mpg function in the script section. Then within that, I need to declare 3 variables: start miles, end miles, and gallons, and initialize each variable with the value assigned to the starting mileage, ending mileage, and gallons. Basically, I need to pass all the data from HTML form to this function. So I need to also create if and else statement that uses this is none function. Basically, what it does is it determines if the value is a numerical value. Okay, and if not, it will have an alert function that will tell that I need to put numerical value. So also in that formula we have error. So in order to do this in order to remove that error, I need to integrate this following formula below. So I will now go to the source code. So basically, again, this is the generic doc type HTML and the header, and also I included also Bootstrap for better UI. So I divide all the I have a form group, generic form division within these four inputs, no, for better UI. So that is the basic of this HTML. Now we go to the script. As you can see, I declare a variable start mile, end miles, and gallons, which is from the instruction earlier. Then I locate that using this document that get element by ID, which we need to get. So in order to put that value in that input form. So basically, this if function is that the is none function of the JavaScript is to check this if it is a numerical value. So for me, I need to use this or operand, so that it is easier to read and more compact in my codes. So also, if it gets false, if it is a boolean function, and if it gets false, it will return an alert function that you must enter a numeric value. then else, I also nested if in the else else statement, so that I will I will I will eliminate the error. So this is so that 0 will not be error when you divide 0. Okay, so let's see if the web page is going to work. This is the web page. So basically, if I refresh it, it will turn back to 0 as the starting value. So let's check if the gas mileage is working. If let's say our starting mileage is 100 and the ending mileage is 250, so we have 150 miles. Then the gallon used, let's say if it's a big car, maybe 10 to or 20 gallons. So if I enter, it will make 7.5 miles per gallon. Okay, this is just a rough computation, so it's working and fine. Okay, and to use if this function is working, we will enter a alphabet. So basically, if I entered, or if I enter this in this input form, it will automatically have an alert function that say you must enter a numeric value. So that's all, and thank you.